Healthy foods to eat. Healthy foods to eat. People with good body take a special diet in their diet so that their body muscles are made immediately. As the weight decreases, the muscles also begin to weaken. But if you want both your muscles and your skin to be toned, then you should eat a balanced diet for this. The new generation loves to spend hours sweating in the gym and taking diet supplements. But going to the gym just by sweating is not going to happen. If you want a strong and good body, then you have to take a diet full of protein and nutrients. If you eat a balanced diet at the right time, it is more beneficial. If you are also fond of bodybuilding, then we will give you information about healthy foods to eat, which will make your body soon by eating regularly. Also, your immune system will also remain strong. Bodybuilding is broadly divided into 3 parts. 1. Exercise, 2. Diet, 3. Rest. Today we will talk about healthy foods to eat. What are the healthy foods to eat? The right diet means a balanced diet that contains the right amount of protein, calories, carbohydrates and fat. Let's know what these words mean. Calories. You need energy from running to breathing. This energy is measured in calories. You get energy from what you eat and drink. However, the issue is that calorie expenditure will be incurred if there is a weight loss or weight gain. The question is how many? Its simple formula is if you weigh 100 kilograms, then you have to take 100 by 30 means 3000 calories. Multiply your weight by 30 and decide the quantity. Protein. Protein forms muscles and preserves them. It also costs energy to digest and it also provides energy. There is also straightforward math to determine its quantity. Gym goers should take between 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of weight. For example, weight 60 kilograms and protein between 60 and 120 grams throughout the day. Carbohydrate. It gives us the energy to work. It turns into glucose much faster than protein and fat. Indian dals, rice, roti, vegetables contain significant amounts of carbohydrates. Now how much carbs you need depends on the question of how many calories you need. If you want 2000 calories daily, then you have to take 250 grams of carbohydrate. The formula is to divide 2000 by 2 and then divide by 4 by whatever comes. Muscle strengthening diet. Protein is very important to strengthen muscles. After water, protein is considered to be the most important nutritional element for our body. The strengthening of bones, function of carnivores, muscle mass, immune system are all affected when the amount of certain proteins is reduced. According to recent research, the intake of protein at the right amount and at the right time is not only essential for general health but also helps in weight loss and muscle strengthening. Using the right amount of protein to lose weight prevents muscles from becoming weaker and reduces weight faster. There are many foods rich in protein, such as dairy products, seafood, soy, grains, yogurt etc. Let's know about them. Strengthen your body by eating eggs. There is nothing better than an egg for bodybuilding because its white part contains 84% protein and 0% fat. Eggs should always be boiled and eaten. 2 to 3 eggs a day should be taken with other foods like nuts, milk etc. Non-vegetarian food is the best source of protein. Non-vegetarian food is very beneficial for producing more muscle. Meat, chicken and turkey lean meats are the best sources of protein. Along with protein, amino acids are also available in plenty, which helps in making the muscles of our body. Eat mutton once a week, but try to make sure that mutton is not fried. Mutton is full of protein, iron, zinc and vitamin B. Fish requires monosaturated fat to increase your muscle mass. When the body burns all the fat while exercising, only monosaturated fat stored in the body increases energy in the body.